everyone, this is Meenakshi Karwa and you're watching Tip with Tales. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon ting 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 so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, this week has been very busy for ICAI as we have been getting continuous notifications, new notifications every day. So it must have been difficult for you also to keep a track on each and every notification. So in this video, I am going to give you a kind of summary of all the notifications released by ICAI in this week. So we'll cover all the notifications and their details in just 2 minutes. बट उसके पहले एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज फॉर दो स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ May 21 जो रिस्क मैनेजमेंट सब्जेक्ट सिलेक्ट किए हैं इन द इलेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट्स. आई हैव अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. If you are finding any difficulty to cope up with risk management subject or you're searching for a strategy to score 80 plus in risk management subject, so we have this full risk management subject batch which is named as Risk Hai To Ishq Hai. This is CA Shivam Palan sir's batch for risk management and I'll give you a quick overview of the results of this batch and what are the benefits which you get in this batch.
So this is the outstanding result of November 20 risk management batch and these are the students who scored exemption in this batch. So this is the detail and benefits of this batch. You get basic understanding as well as chapter wise understanding plus linking of all chapters. They cover all ICAI questions plus guidance module as well as advanced level module, understanding of real life frauds by industry experts and 2 full subject tests. And most important, you get 100% refund if you score 80 plus marks.
The link to download the app and join the batch is given in the description box. Use code TIP with TALES to get ₹500 off on your purchase. And if you are unable to join the full subject batch, then you can join the concept building batch with revision videos which is shared on YouTube channel CA Shivam Palan CA Monk.
So this is the detail of this batch, concept building batch, and the main important thing is they give special attention to each and every student so that they can score extremely well in risk management subject.
You can check out the link in the description box and use the code to get your discount on the purchase of concept building batch. So now coming on to the important notification summary of ICAI, and the first very important news is January 21 results date is announced and it is on 21st March evening or 22nd March as given in the official notification, but very probably it will be released on 21st March itself. So all the best to all the CA final students, Jan 21 students, you are going to rock and going to come out with flying colors. The next one is the RTP of May 21. The RTP for May 21 old course as well as new course is released by ICAI and I have downloaded all RTPs in one place on my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box. You can go and download all RTPs from there. You will find all RTPs downloaded in one place. So it becomes convenient for you. So I have downloaded it for you all. So the next announcement is for mock test of ICAI. The MTP series have been announced by ICAI. So the mock test is going to commence from 24th March. The first series is from 24th March and second series will be late in April, 3rd week of April around. So this is for the mock test announcement. If you have completed your syllabus, I will really suggest you to go and appear for the mock test. Writing one mock test before your final exam is very important. So please do appear for the mock test papers. And last but not the least, the form filling announcement was out by ICAI and they have informed as an additional note that whoever had opted out from November 20 and are going to appear for May 21 have to fill their forms. Because during Jan exams, it wasn't mandatory for you to fill the form again. Whatever form you had filled for November 20 was applied for Jan. But for May, you have to again fill the exam form. So this was the announcement by ICAI and I hope you all know that the form filling will start from 31st March and the last date for the forms is 13th April. So this is all for the ICAI updates which we have received in this last 1 week. I hope you all are preparing very well for your May 21 exams. If you have any difficulties or facing any problems during your preparations, do let me know in the comment box. I'll try to help you out with everything. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, keep studying. Bye-bye.